Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today on the channel, we are going to be seeing Bhumija Naidu drape a really lovely yellow cotton handloom sari. This is my own, but I've basically forgotten where I got it from. This is a slightly see-through sort of a sari. So you will also have an idea as if you are working with a sari like this, how you can go about draping, what you can wear it, what you can wear it with, and how you can style it. I hope you like these drape series, and if you are going to be trying any of these drapes, do try them out. Post the pictures on Instagram and tag us. We'll be very happy to share those as well. Now over to Bhumija.